What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another quick and easy weekly meal prep recipe. Today we are going to make a super easy and delicious steak fajita bowl. If you're interested in what to see this recipe, please keep on watching. Cooking made easy. Before we get started, my name is Claude Mott and I'm the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website that I created when I was in college where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning. Our meat seasoning comes in 3 different heat levels. We have a regular, a mild and spicy. We also have an extreme spicy that we only make upon request. We have a barbecue marinade, a barbecue jerk marinade. We have organic hot pepper sauce and so much more. And during the holidays, guys, we also sell cremas. So we only have this beverage during the holidays. And right now we are getting ready for our sale on November 1st. This sale, I usually have it every year, couple weeks before the Thanksgiving. It is my way to give back to my customers, and it is also my way so that my customers can get their seasoning before the Thanksgiving and before the holidays. And if you're interested and want to try our product, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. Okay, let's start with our recipe. Before we start with our recipe today, I already went ahead and cooked the rice. I'm just going to serve this with some white jasmine rice, and to cook the rice, I boil some water and simply cook the rice. But to cook your rice, guys, make sure you follow the direction, which is 2 parts of water and 1 part of rice. Meaning, if you are cooking 1 cup of rice, make sure you use 2 cups of water. Okay guys, so this is the beef that we are using for this recipe. I already went ahead and cut it and clean it, and we are going to be using the organic green seasoning to season the meat. I love this green seasoning. It is all-in-one packed with flavor. And we also gonna use the organic meat seasoning because I want a little bit of acidity in the meat, so we are going to use the organic meat seasoning. And we have some black beans, corn, and we have some bell peppers. I have some yellow and red bell peppers. We have yellow onion, and we also have a small avocado. And to make the beans, we are gonna be using some organic coconut oil. I love using coconut oil when I am making beans. It takes it to a whole nother level. Okay guys, now I'm going to put some gloves so I can start marinating the beef. And we are going to be using the organic all-in-one green seasoning. And this is what the green seasoning looks like. And now we are going to fully mix everything together. And guys, as I mentioned earlier, I am gonna be busy for the next couple of weeks. This is the reason why I am gonna be doing a lot of meal prep. So if you're interested and like to see those meal prep videos, please consider subscribing. And this is the beef. This is what it looks like after it is marinated. And I'm just gonna let it sit for 20 minutes so that all the seasoning can really get in there. And meanwhile, we are going to start making the beans. And to make the beans, when the pot get hot, I'm just going to add 1 full tablespoon of the organic coconut oil. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the organic green seasoning. I'm just going to add a little bit more because I'm not gonna be using any extra seasoning, so we're just gonna be adding a little bit more for the beans. And I'm just going to let this caramelize for 2-3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the black beans, and we are going to stir it. Now I'm going to add some onions. And keep stirring because you don't want the beans to get burned. And now I'm going to add a little bit, just a pinch of seasoning salt, and we are going to keep stirring. Okay guys, so now we are going to cook the corn, and for the corn I'm also going to warm up 1 tablespoon of the organic coconut oil, and we are going to put half a tablespoon of the organic green seasoning, and we are also going to stir it to let it get caramelized a little. And now I'm going to add some yellow onion and chopped parsley. And we are going to saute that a little bit, and after that I'm going to add the corn. And whatever leftover of the parsley and the onion that I had left, I'm just going to add it in there. And now I'm going to add some seasoning salt. And guys, while the corn is cooking, I'm just going to chop some veggies. I'm going to cut the onions, and after that I'm just going to cut the bell peppers. Okay guys, so now that the corn is ready, we are going to take it out the stove, and now we are going to start cooking the beef. For the beef, I added a little bit of oil in a pan. And now I'm going to start cooking the beef. And we are going to be doing multiple batches because it's not a big pan and we cannot cook all the meat at once. Okay, so now that the corn is done, so now we are just going to cook the steak. The steak has been marinating for a good 20 minutes. And as you can see guys, I simply warm up some oil and added the steak in there. And we are just going to let it cook. I like my steak to be medium. I don't want it to be too chewy. After the steak is ready, we are going to use the same pan to saute the veggies. The first batch of the meat is done, so now we are cooking the second part. Okay guys, now that the beef is ready, here is a closer look of one piece. Don't overcook. So now I'm going to remove it off the stove, and we are going to use the same pan to saute the veggies. Then after that I'm going to add the meat back in there. Now we are going to continue to saute the veggies until they get tender, and then after that we are going to add the meat back in. Now that the veggies are getting into a nice consistency that I like, I'm going to add some of the organic meat seasoning for a maximum boost of flavor. That way I don't need to add any extra salt or anything. The meat seasoning has everything in there. Okay, now we are going to add the meat back in and stir it all together. We're not going to overcook. The meat is ready. We're just going to mix everything together. And after we stir everything and make sure everything is mixed together for 3 minutes, we are going to start plating. Okay guys, this is the final result for the beef. Guys, in my next video, I am going to make a quinoa oven baked chicken bowl. If you're interested and want to see that, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss when I post another recipe. Alright, now let's start plating. Alright guys, we are done. This is the final result. I serve mine with a little bit of avocado. You can see the corn, black beans, rice, and the meat. I hope you guys try this recipe. And if you are wondering what's on top of it, guys, I just added a little bit of the chipotle sauce on top. As you can see, this recipe was very easy and it was very easy to follow. We made it with some simple ingredients. If you have a busy week ahead of you guys, this is the perfect meal prep. As I mentioned earlier, I am getting ready for my sale in November 1st. And this is the sale that we usually have before the Thanksgiving and the holiday season. So I am super busy restocking on everything. All the meat seasoning and green seasoning are out of stock. And I'm also making all the cremas where I have to bottle them. So we are busy. So reason why we are making a lot of meal prep for the upcoming weeks. My next recipe, I have a nice quinoa bowl, guys, coming up with baked chicken. If you want to see that, remember to subscribe so you don't miss it. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any comments, suggestions, please make sure you have them below in the comment section. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And as always guys, I'll see you next time. Bye now. Cooking made easy.